We turn to Michigan tonight, where a manhunt is on for an armed and dangerous criminal who has escaped from prison. Look at this. This surveillance video catching him just simply walking out. He was disguised as another prisoner who was supposed to be released. And as ABC's Mark Greenblatt reports tonight, this wasn't his first escape.
Tonight, a nationwide manhunt is on as U.S. Marshals call the man in gray a dangerous career criminal and say he keeps escaping from jails. 34-year-old Rocky Delgado Marquez walked out of this Phoenix jail last May after authorities say he switched identity bracelets with another inmate scheduled for release. Officers caught up with Marquez earlier this month 2,000 miles away in Detroit, where they found him with a loaded AK-47 like this. But it took Marquez just 6 days inside the Wayne County jail before he escaped yet again.
The jails are having a hard time keeping Rocky incarcerated.
He's somehow getting inmates to cooperate with him to use their identities to walk out of jail.
Marquez pulled off his latest vanishing act just last Sunday, and the ruse went undetected in Detroit for days, with no one catching on until Friday.
I'm confident that Rocky will once again be put behind bars.
Investigators tell me that they believe Marquez is likely committing more crimes right now while on the run. David, they do consider him armed and dangerous.